Today is the day. We have been working behind the scenes. Logan, who's behind the camera, has been doing most of the work on getting our new website up and running with all our new merch on it, with everything that we're doing, our Instagram feeds, all the photos, like mudmodsandbeers.com.au, live, ready to go, ready to take merch orders. We're doing the merch ourselves, so we're actually making every t-shirt by hand. It's very exciting for us. This is our first proper foray into merch. And if you do want to support the channel, I would love for you to jump onto the website and buy a t-shirt. Now, from now until the end of the year, we're offering 20% off all t-shirts. So anything you want to buy, use the code MMB20. It is on the website too. You can see it there, and you will get 20% off every t-shirt until the end of the year. Love to know in the comments below what you think of the new merch, any other ideas for other t-shirts or anything else. Next year we're hoping to bring out some other things, but in the meantime, merch. Now these are all AS color. Either this is the heavy oversized AS color t-shirt, and some of them are in the classic, more of a classic fit t-shirts. If you do order an oversized, a heavy one, they are oversized. So if you're like an extra large, you might want to go back to a large. I normally wear a 2XL. This one's an XL. Or if you like the oversized look, stay with 2XL. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Jump on to mudmodsandbeers.com.au and get some merch.